Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the radio on a 2005 Volkswagen Jetta. Now the radio is out already because I wanted to show you how this process works. You're going to need these keys. I only have two of them. You need four in order to remove it, but you can still do it with two. I'm going to show you how. So the flat side has to go towards the outside of the radio. So it has to go like this, and I'm going to show you how the process works so you can get an understanding on how to do it. So whenever you push this inside, you see how it goes in. It goes in. Look. Whenever you push it inside, it goes in like this. So I'm gonna put it back inside. So right now it's there stuck. You can take it out. Now since I only have two, you need four of them to put two here and two here in order to remove it. I'm going to show you how you can do it with two. It's a little bit challenging, but it's doable. So you're going to start with one side first, so we're going to start on the right side. You can just push this all the way inside until you can hear a click, and then same thing with the other one. Just push it inside, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull to the left and then just pull it out a little bit, and as you can see, it came out a little bit. Then just remove the keys, and you gotta wiggle it there. Now this side is out already, so now we're going to use this side. So again, push the key inside, wiggle it inside until it comes into it. Oh, there. And same thing, push towards that side and pull it out. See? So I mean, a lot of people think you need four of them in order to take it out, but I just show you how to do it with just two, and that's it. I hope this video helped you. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the keys. Like I said, I hope this video helped you in any way. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. As always, peace.